guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you can see in the title below, we are going to be unboxing my D23 subscription for this year. If you don't know, the D23 membership is Disney's official fan club. They used to, at least before the C word. They had events you could attend. They now have them virtual, and hopefully this next year they'll be able to have it in person again. They also have different meetups throughout the park sometimes. All of this obviously was before the great unpleasantness, as Jen LaForge would like to say. But I have been a D23 member for, this is my third year, I believe. Yes, this is my third year. There are different membership levels that you can get. I have the gold member for one, and that is $100. I'm just reading off my phone so I don't get anything wrong. You get one personalized gold member card and certificate, access to the D23 gold member virtual and in-person events, plus the ability to like bring a guest. You have access to one D23 gold member to special D23 gold offers, including early access discounts and exclusive merchandise opportunities. You get the collector set, which is what we're unboxing today, and then you get one annual subscription, so that is 4 issues of the Disney 23 publication. There's the duo plan for $130 a year. That gives you everything except 2 things of each thing. Except the collector, you only get one. It's just the generic items that you get with being a D23 member. They also have a coupon code for you to use when you are on Shop Disney. All you have to do is make sure that your D23 membership is connected to your My Disney Experience account, which it should be, and then you'll be able to use that code for 10%, I almost said 15, I think it's 10% off your purchases online, and that does stack on top of the free shipping ship magic that you can always use for purchases $75 or over. I have been a member for 3 years, but I haven't actually been able to attend one of their events yet. I really hope within the next few years we'll be able to do that. But besides the collector set, I really enjoy getting the 23 issues. They are sent 4 times a year: spring, summer, fall, and winter. And this one was the fall of 2021. They actually have a couple of these on Shop Disney now. I'm not sure if you have to be a D23 member to purchase them on Shop Disney. I've never seen them on Shop Disney, and they're like ones from random years in the past. I absolutely love them. They are stunning. They're very, very large. They look great on a coffee table. But there are just many different articles in here about different things that happened in this season. So obviously we have things about Halloween, about the Muppets, because their new show is out. We have things about the Tokyo Disney Sea, since it is the 20th year anniversary. That is crazy to think about. And then obviously we have a lot of things around the 50th. So I absolutely love these. They're really fun to read, great articles, and it just looks cute on your coffee table. Alrighty, so let's dig in to what our D23 gift is this year. So just to preface, this is the gift for 2021. So if you're interested in any of these items, I highly suggest jumping on the membership really soon, within the next 3 months, because each year the item that you purchase or the item that you get for your membership is going to be different. My membership ends in September, so that is why I get this item in October. It is really hard to not like look at what's in here for the entire year. I do know one item and I'm super stoked about it, but everything else I haven't seen. I know I've already referenced Jen LaForge, but she also did an unboxing of this. I liked her video, I added a comment, and I said, I am not watching your video because I want to wait to see what is in here until I receive it. So let's jump right in to see what our D23 gift is this year. Right on top of the box, it just says D23 celebrates 50 most magical years of the Walt Disney Resort. And then when you open it up, it has what looks like the Epcot ball and then the Mickey ears. And there is a newspaper. This is really cool. So it says half a century of the vacation kingdom of the world. Walt Disney World News, D23 edition. This is so cool. So this is Michael Vargo. He is the head of D23. There is an article that he wrote on the front. So that is really, really cool. And then on the inside, it just has other articles about, wow, that's really cool, about how they built Walt Disney World, I'm pretty sure. It's Walt Disney and a couple of other photos. They have a section about opening day of Magic Kingdom. This is really cool. 50 reasons why we love Walt Disney World. I'll definitely have to go through those. That is so fun. Williams. They have things about their favorite resorts and then around the world for Epcot. Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom. That is really cool. We're starting off with a bang. I am definitely going to have to go read all of these. Yes, I will definitely read all of that. Okay. So, back into the box. Right off the top, we have our official Disney Fan Club Gold member card. The member card looks like. And then on the back, yep, I've been a member for 3 years. It says my name and it says gold member since 2019. Awesome, that is so cute. I love how they have like the little Mickeys on the front. That is really cute. Alrighty, the next item that is in here is, I'm not too sure. Ooh. I think this is like vinyl, like a record. That is really cool. Let me get this open. So yeah, this is like a little record. I have a record player. And I know there's another word for like the smaller ones, and I just can't think of it right now. That is so cool. That is pretty cool. Yeah, I love that. So it is the Country Bear Jamboree on side A. And side B is, oh my gosh, nothing can stop us now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I actually do have a record player. It's in our basement currently. I need to bring that back up. But this is so fun. I love that. Wow, that is super cool. So in the box, this is where the record was at. So you have little orange bird. I'm gonna save the big one for last because it is just wicked cool. So freaking cool, I'm pumped. All right, so the other section, you can throw that over there, is the pennant. So it has a little of a vintage Mickey and it says D23, the official Disney fan club. This is really cool. It would be really fun to hang this in my office. Obviously I have like a Disney theme going on in here. Super cute. The style that they used for Mickey, he is adorable. Alrighty, here's what we came for. This is what I have been waiting for all year long. And I am so pumped. And actually, with the Vault collection, they have a lounge fly bag that looks just like this. And you guys, that might have just given away what I'm about to show you, but it is a vintage Mickey lunchbox. Yep, it is metal. Has Mickey and Donald on the front. Walt Disney World. On the back, it says D23 Official Fan Club with some characters. So all on the sides, they have different attractions. They have Remy's, Dinosaur. They have the Contemporary, Tiki Room probably, Everest, Country Bear Jamboree. They have it. Oh, what is that? That might be the railroad. The Millennium Falcon. That's cool. This is what I was looking forward to most. I don't know if anything's inside. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. There's things inside. There are things inside. Yes. There are pins. There's pins in here. Oh my goodness. So it says, hold on, let me get them. Okay. So it says D23, the official Disney fan club, celebrating 50 most magical years of the Walt Disney World Resort. So 5 pins. 5 pins. Orange Bird, Country Bears, Figment, maybe Wally, and I don't know what the other scary guy is. Does it tell me? No, it doesn't. Alright, let's look at them. Look how cute and vibrant these pins are. Oh my goodness. I really like the Orange Bird one. The Orange Bird one is definitely my favorite. And I'm pretty sure that's my first ever Figment pin. Like 100%. That's my first Figment pin. Okay, so after I opened those pins, I remembered that I purchased D23 pins on Shop Disney like months ago. And they have the same vibe. So that makes sense why they're releasing these ones on Shop Disney. So since I have these with me, I'm going to go ahead and show you the other ones. And now I feel like I have to buy the other set. These are the other pins. I purchased these from Shop Disney. But they definitely have the same vibe as the other ones that you get with your membership. So that makes sense of why they released these other sets. And there's another set of 5 too that you can buy. Yes, love these. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for today's unboxing of my D23 Disney's official fan club member gift this year. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Obviously my favorite gift was the lunchbox. I'm obsessed. I cannot wait to put it on display in my office. I really need to get this office situated. I am doing Vlogmas, and one of my Vlogmas goals is to be able to do like an office tour with all of my fun Disney merch that I have in here. I really want to do like an ear haul as well, so definitely make sure you're subscribed to the channel because you guys don't want to miss that. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a D23 member, if you're thinking about it. And remember, these gifts are for 2021, so if you're interested, jump on the bandwagon right now so you can get that adorable metal lunchbox. You won't regret it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye.